All right, this is the Hughes limited edition Orange Crush Bass 50. And it's purple. It's not orange. It's pretty awesome. It's got a 12-inch speaker right here. This is a 50-watt bass head. I'm going to be testing it using this Line 6 Relay G10, which is my favorite wireless device. If we look on top of the unit here, we can see we have gain, blend, some frequency stuff, treble, middle, frequency, bass. We got a volume, and there's a headphone out on there, and there's an actual tuner that works. So I'm tuned down a half step and it works. On the back here, we have send and return on the back right there. There's the power switch, the cable, and there's a sound hole on the back. And it's this awesome color purple. So I'll play with the knobs a little bit, give you an idea what it sounds like using my Line 6 Relay G10. I love this Line 6 Relay G10. I can get, if I play at a bar with it, I can get a lot of range on it. I'm able to go around the whole bar for the most part without any latency or without cutting out. If I go too far, it gets a little late and then it'll cut out on me occasionally. But as long as I stay within a good 30 to 40 feet from the receiver here, I'm good to go. It's my favorite wireless device. But here's this Hughes bass. The gain turned all the way down. So I have all the EQ. I have everything on the EQ set to the middle right here. And this is just straight through. So I'm going to set it on 3 and start putting some gain on it. You can play totally clean or get a nice bite on there. It's got all kinds of options, things you can do with it. Plus it looks super cool. 50-watt Hughes limited edition Orange Crush 50. Pretty awesome.